So guys, the Cayman is actually Dan's what? The Cayman's in Dan's. Dan, come here! Guys, remember Dan? Dan is Quinn's son. Dan, you would have seen him and his potty mouth in the engine out video.
Metal.
Yeah.
Fucking Porsche.
Is this a... We are back in his workshop today because we're going to do some cosmetic bits and a couple of chassis mods. I'm going to split this into 2 videos. So today, I'm going to be fitting the Zunsport grill kit. And Dan is going to go underneath, drop absolutely everything down, and we're going to re-underseal of the existing factory underseal. Right, Dan, you're going to pop all the wheels off. I'm going to pretend like I know what I'm doing. Damn it! I've been here 2 minutes. Okay, so this is the kit that has been provided. This is a full grill kit for your Porsche Cayman. So over here we've got the 2 front grills. So they are going to fit onto here. This is the center grill that's going to fit onto there. Then you've got side grills, which we'll get to in a sec. They're basically the 2 vents that sit either side that feed air into the engine. And then these little bad boys, these clip into the rear bumper. Again, we'll get to that. The great thing with these kits is each and every piece comes with instructions, which is really good for me because I am a complete idiot, aren't I, Dad?
No comment. You've not played the bill yet.
These kits are designed to actually, they have a function. They protect certain elements of your car. So in the front here, and on the other side of that, you've got 2 Aircon condensers. So basically, if they develop leaks or they get pierced by stones or anything like that, it means you're not going to have air conditioning. Everyone wants air conditioning. The front one is actually, well, the radiators sit into here, but this is more just a cosmetic one because this has a tray in it. These side vents here, again, these kits are going to go over here and it's going to stop debris and stones and whatever getting inside here because this is the air feed through into your engine bay, which ordinarily an engine does sit in there. Does not on this one for the last year. And then the last 2 are going to go up here. Do remember, because we're going twin turbos with this, we're going to do something gnarly with this rear bumper, but hopefully it will retain this section just so keep it little girls. I'm so excited to clean these. Right, first things first, we're going to clean all the existing debris out of these wells here. And something's probably going to hit me in the face.
Get in there, don't get it.
Degreasing it a little bit.
Ingenious. What a creative device.
Even though I'm getting this front bumper / whole car resprayed as a formality, I'm just doing this because this is what you should be doing. Right. So, these are hooky things. Yeah, you're hooked on. Smashing. You probably got 8. Okay. It can't be that easy, right?
Simples.
Look at that. Basically, you just hook the bracket in this side around the existing grill, then hook another sort of bracket around the existing grill here, and then there is a little hole there where they provide you with 2 screws. Basically, you just screw through into the plastic, and that is solid.
Most impressive.
I do need to do a little bit of felting because they can sort of move up and down a little bit, so I've got to be a perfectionist about it. I've got the rest of my life to do that, so we're going to move on to this one, which I'm actually going to ask Dan for his help with this. So as you see, this is what's actually going to hold it in. That's why you've got to drill holes, and so you slot one in, kind of bend it a little bit, slot the other in, and it will sit just like it. They provide you with these templates, so you kind of do actually want to cut around there rather than just do it like this, because you want that to effectively offer up into here, because this is an exact replication of the size of that. So I'm just going to go hunt for scissors. Who would have thought a man with a full-ass garage does not have scissors? Danny, having fun yet?
No.
No? Okay. Literally just gone and found scissors, but no. Try it with a blade. Sort of works. This was my first attempt. We're all having a good time. I'm going to Dan-splain to you. These little markers are basically to line up where these are going to actually go through. So, yep.
These were the trial runs.
I don't know if it's got to be inward more though. Should I actually mark it with a marker?
That's what I'm saying. How far?
I got a bad feeling about this.
It's there now. That's attempt number 1. Alright, bite dinner first, Jesus. Oh Lord.
Is it done yet?
That looks good to me.
The Cayman project finished.
Yeah, it is so close to being done. I wish you could see what I'm seeing. La la la, ignoring what's happening.
Ooh. Whoa. Oh.
Pretty little grill.
Nice.
We're all happy. Right, these side ones are a little bit more intricate. Like that.
No way. This can't be that easy.
Can't be that easy.
What?
Nah.
What?
Can't be that easy.
That's unreal.
That was really easy.
That was great.
I want to almost complicate things by breaking something, so I have to fix it. So it takes
Good. Oh, hey. Just like that.
so simple.
Just like that. Look how good they look.
Just about got the trim out.
Yep. You better hurt yourself and not trim.
Always myself, never the trim.
And I'm just doing what I'm good at.
What's that?
Shut up, Dan. It's cleaning. Right, so whilst we're tearing the car apart already, these have been driving me insane. One, that they're silver, 2, that they're a bit naff. I know I'm doing gonna paint the whole car and everything, but for now I'm just gonna do these in black, so I'm gonna run them around with the painter. Oh yeah, that's basically what they are. They've got little bros that go in there and hold them in, and now I have to go and find them.
I will find you.
Yeah.
This one's not behaving. Probably because this is where all the mud and crap goes to.
Oh.
I can't feel it anymore. Giggity. You're so whingy. Huh? Wait, you're so full. Everything's buckled.
It hurts. This job hurts me.
Ah, this is why.
After all, is it, eh? Yeah, not so easy after all. Me.
Why do we bring on cars here? It actually catches in there. That, you know that little thing that I said?
It won't
the
pop
little
up enough.
So it won't go up enough. So I'm going to try and pull this down a bit. Maybe. There you go. And there you go.
I told you I would find you.
Blah blah.
Oh, to be a mechanic. Such an easy job.
Thing is, unlike car sales, you can't pick your way through it.
Really?
So,
You could have fooled me. Boom, done.
Hey-o.
What are you saying? Oh, Dan, I mean, this bit that I'm doing is like the hardest bit of this entire. Right, let's poke these up more.
Oh. Blah.
Done.
Nice.
Awesome. I'm going to take these to my painter.
Sheesh. Look at that. The brakes are out. There's no stopping you now.
James.
1 hour later.
Right, I ran off to the powder coaters to go get stuff powder coated. Dan looks like he's lost the will to live, but here is where Dan is at in terms of stripping it all down, masking it all up. We're not actually taking a few of the pipes off. There's just no point. We could just do this and just get behind it. And then we're gonna finish undersealing. Well, we're gonna do this arch, but we'll probably stop there. You're gonna cry, Dan? Yeah. Now I'm just gonna tackle this side one. These are a little bit tricky. So you've got the 2 top brackets like this, which you kind of leave loose. And then you got this guy down here, which is like a bow and arrow. And basically that little contraption there, when you push it through the grill, it'll sort of bend itself in and then flip back out. So it acts like a hook. Like in those movies. Dan, what's that movie? Where they shoot like that sort of like roped arrow thing. and then they climb the rope. You know, the thing. Okay. Yep. So this belongs onto... I'm so tired. This belongs onto this side, so we're gonna need very small screwdrivers to try and offer these little brackets around these slats. This is also an example of a slat. Oh, right, this is gonna be one of my greatest achievements ever, and I managed to do it all by myself without Dan.
Lies.
All by my freaking... Okay, genuinely, because we have to be serious about this, because other people are gonna try, I genuinely did this by myself. Okay, so, the way I did it, I hooked that one in first, but I actually put my hand sort of behind there to actually like manually hook it on. Then I held it in place to do up that little 3mm Allen key there. Then I went for this guy. This guy was a little bit trickier. I used a multitude of things. I believe it was this one that I sort of just tried to like hook it into place and then held it there with that thing. And then again, did the little 3mm. This all sounds like faff, but it actually makes sense when you're doing it. Now, this little bow and arrow thing down here, that was the hardest one. So what you have to do is have it literally on like the loosest it can possibly be so that it can travel all the way to the back. Then I used two utensils, which were this guy and that guy, to try and just line it up, whilst also maintaining pressure on the grill itself. And then did up that Phillips screw. You have to hold the two little wings in place when you do that screw up, otherwise it will just spin and move. So there you go, that's it. Grill kit, I'm a genius, moving on. So this is where Dan's at.
Unfortunately, this
There
is
you
where
go.
I'm at.
Yeah, this is where the labor racks up, doesn't it, Dan? Good job on getting this done for free, which is great. You know, just the old publicity that, you know, because I'm a big, I'm a big deal now, Dan. I have over 1,000 subscribers, okay?
I told you that.
It's quite a nice place just to hang out. Yeah, look at that tunnel. Look at how clean this car is anyway, man. Like just how rust-free it is.
Yeah.
This is why we are
Needs
putting
loads of underseal.
Yeah, this is why we're putting in the effort. Because I want it to stay this way, because this is a car for life. This I'm going to take to my grave, or it's going to be the reason I'm in a grave. Boom, done. How quick did that take? That was, what, 5 minutes?
Yeah, it was actually.
Okay, so once you know how to do it, it's pretty easy, as with anything, really. But it looks sick. I can't wait to actually see it with the wheels back on and all the grill kits and everything. And back together and undersealed and running with an engine. Oh, mate. We are filthy and we are sweating balls. Look at this. Bear in mind, this is the before. This is how clean this car was. I just can't, like, I'm so used to Jap crap that looking at this, like, I would have been none the wiser. I would have walked in and be like, oh, Dan, you've done it already. This is so cool to see. And like, this is what I'm saying. Like, this car is so freaking clean. Why not just prevent it ever getting in any rust or anything? That wasn't English. I'm so tired. I am super stoked, dude. So guys, this is the before. Oh God, even the back, even the back looks clean. Are you okay? No. Coming in hot. Okay, so this is what it's starting to look like. Oh, it looks so good, even when it's wet. Giggity. Oh. Right, guys, I'm gonna leave Dan to it because I'm getting high as a kite, and also this is literally like watching paint dry. We are pretty much done. Grill kits in. And I must say, I am loving the front end of this car now. All I need is my little black splitters to go on, and then the job is a good one. Side vents, I feel very proud to have fit them myself without Dan. Dan did not help at all. Did you, Dan? No, didn't think so. So they look sweet. And then, yeah, actually, like, a little crowd pleaser here. Everyone that's come in's really complimented these back grills. So, I said, job well done. Well done, Zunsport. Right, you guys ready? Up we go. Well, okay, partial grand reveal of what the underside looks like now. We haven't done the front section. We will do that soon. Are we doing that soon? My dudes, check this out. So if you want a bit of what it looked like before, so this is the bit we haven't done yet. Shing! Look at this! off it. I mean, that is absolutely ridiculous. It just completely transforms it. I'm actually really sad that it's underneath the car and that, you know, like, what am I going to do? Go to a car show and flip it upside down? We can arrange that. Actually, put turbos on it, it'll end up upside down anyway. I mean, dude, blown away, man. You must be stoked, eh? I mean, you whinged the whole way through, but I am so thrilled with this. I mean, yeah, okay. Was it aggro? Yes. Did it take a long time? Yes. Was it totally worth it? 100 freaking %. Oh, it seems like it's been days, but it hasn't. Oh, man. I just want to live under here. So anyway, guys, that's all from us today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm super stoked. That is a really solid foundation to build off now. Dan, are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
As about as happy as he ever sounds. So yeah, catch us in the next one. We're going to be bolting out some pretty tasty bits, aren't we? The fun starts now. Fun starts now. Forced fun. Forced fun. But thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button and why not subscribe? It is freaking free. Also, slam that notification bell because you're going to want to see this next bit. I want more. Let's have more.